In this video, I'm going to compare JVZoo to Clickbank. So which one would be the best? So I'm going to show you the main similarities and differences these affiliate programs have, and yeah, which one could be the best. So what I want to tell you up front, you probably know JVZoo is very similar to Clickbank, but it's slightly different. So if we go to the homepage jvzoomarket.com here, you can see some products here. And you can see their top categories. There are only 5 categories. And JVZoo is mainly targeting on software and a little bit on e-commerce and business. They don't have stuff like gardening, a lot of courses, kitchen stuff. However, on Clickbank, we do have a lot of this stuff like education stuff, e-business, e-marketing, cooking, computers, internet, stuff like that. Just online courses to help you, or even things that, Clickbank is really complex. Like there's so many different categories, so many different offers. And JVZoo, there aren't that many offers, but I think they're more on quality than on quantity. And on Clickbank, you really have to search for the right offer for you to promote. And on JVZoo, it's not that. It's more limited, but therefore it's easier to find a good offer, in my opinion. So here we can see some of them. We can just, one of the most well-known is Doodle Maker. I can just type it in here. So Doodle Maker is a whiteboard animation software, and you can just try and you can create your own website, your own marketing, your own videos, and you can easily market them through your own content. Here you can see you get $67 per sale. Next gen artificial intelligence app to create doodle videos in any language, and their service is very good, and you can just sell this by yourself. So this is super easy to do. Here we have all the products. As you can see, it's still quite a lot. And on Clickbank, you see they're more targeting on quantity. They do also have software and services, like they don't they still do it, but on JVZoo they're more targeted on that. If we go to software here, we can see JVZoo website isn't that fast. We can see that they're focused on it, like Pandora, Ada Bundle, stuff like that, and it looks very professional in my opinion. So it's not really about which one is the best between these two. I mean, there are way more affiliate programs out there, but it's mainly what kind of products do you want to promote? Do you want to promote courses from other people? Do you want to promote good software that is reliable, easy to use? And then JVZoo is, sorry for the name, I'm pronouncing it in a very bad way. Then JVZoo might be a good option. Clickbank, it's the biggest, it's good, they pay out every month, same for JVZoo. But here, you have a lot of payment methods. You can do it via Stripe, PayPal, Payoneer, Payer, like all that kind of stuff. And Clickbank, you have to connect your bank account. So which one is the best? There isn't really a answer to that because they are not exactly the same. So still, I apologize because I can't pronounce this name. But yeah, this is basically this video. If it helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.